Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of beauty, uncovering what really works and what doesn't. If you're on the hunt for the perfect mascara to take your lashes from dull to dramatic, stay tuned because today we're diving into a fan favorite, e.l.f. Lash It Loud Mascara. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest reviews. Let's get into it. e.l.f. Lash It Loud Mascara is designed to give you those mega volume lashes you've always dreamed of. Right off the bat, this mascara promises fuller, bolder, and longer lashes with an intensely pigmented formula. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated with ingredients that won't break the bank. Truly a win for beauty lovers and the environment. The mascara comes in a sleek, compact tube with a flexible silicone wand featuring both vertical and horizontal bristles. The design is meant to grab each lash and coat them evenly, adding definition, dimension, and of course, volume. But does it deliver? Let's take a closer look. I've been using this mascara for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed by how easy it is to apply. The wand is the perfect size, not too big, not too small, allowing you to reach every lash from the inner corner to the outer edge. It coats each lash thoroughly without clumping, which is crucial for achieving that bold, full effect. I also really like how buildable the formula is. With just one coat, you get a nice amount of volume, but you can layer it for an even more dramatic look. I found that it didn't flake or smudge throughout the day, which is a must for me in any mascara. I wore it through a workout and it stayed in place. No panda eyes here. Now the texture. It's definitely on the thicker side, so it's not the lightest mascara you'll find, but I don't mind it because it means more volume. Plus, it doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable on the lashes, which is a big plus for me. In terms of pros, the volume is impressive. My lashes look fuller and more defined without feeling weighed down. The formula's pigmentation is intense, giving that deep, black lash look that really makes your eyes pop. It's also super affordable, making it a great option for anyone looking to splurge on their lashes without breaking the bank. As for cons, if you're not a fan of thick formulas, this might not be for you. It's not the most lightweight option out there, so if you prefer a more natural look, you may need to go with something else. Additionally, while it holds up well, it does take a bit longer to dry, so be cautious if you're in a rush. When it comes to value for money, e.l.f. has nailed it. For a mascara that's under $10, you get a high-performance product with great pigmentation and lasting power. You'd be hard-pressed to find something that compares in this price range. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're someone who's used a few different mascaras, you might be wondering how this one compares. To be honest, for the price, it holds its ground against some higher-end mascaras. While it might not be as lightweight or as high-tech in terms of packaging, it gives you the volume and definition you'd expect from a more expensive product. For anyone wondering about build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the wand design really stands out. It doesn't feel flimsy and the formula doesn't dry out too quickly, even after weeks of use. So far, it holds up well in terms of longevity, both in wear and in the tube. I haven't needed to contact customer support for this one, but knowing e.l.f.'s reputation for good service, I'm confident they'd handle any issues promptly. They've built a solid reputation in the beauty world for providing accessible, quality products. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, you could consider the Maybelline Lash Sensational or the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, both of which offer great volume, but at a slightly higher price point. However, if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, e.l.f. is definitely worth a try. To wrap things up, e.l.f. Lash It Loud Mascara is a solid contender for anyone looking to add mega volume and boldness to their lashes. Its pigmented formula, affordability, and solid performance make it a great option for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.